wholeness, wholeness and balanced vibrations. It's Mystic Mommy here today, and today I wanted to just show you guys my singing bowl. I've been wanting to do this video for a really long time, and I'm just gonna do it spontaneously right now and show you guys my singing bowl. This is a Tibetan singing bowl, and so Tibetan monks use singing bowls. People who practice Buddhism, I believe, use singing bowls as a way to raise your vibrations. And so different singing bowls, depending on the size, create different sounds, add different frequencies, and the resounding just frequency of the singing bowl is very healing for people. It helps you clear your chakras. It can help you meditate. It can help clear the space and kind of be used as a ritualistic instrument for different things you might want to do. My singing bowl, I got it on Amazon. I can't remember where exactly, but it looks legit. I like it. And it comes with a little mallet that you use to hit with, to start it up. Are you gonna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is how you play your singing bowl. And you hold it in the middle of the palm of your hand, and you don't want any of your fingers touching the bowl, because if your fingers touch the bowl, then it won't sing. And so you have to hold it like that the whole time. And you take the mallet and you just lightly hit the side of the bowl to get it started. And then you take the mallet and you place it, up against the side of the bowl, and you just circle it gently around the bowl immediately after you hit the bowl. And then that is supposed to that is supposed to keep the bowl singing. The goal is to continue the sound. But if you mess up, it will stop singing. So the goal is to keep it singing, obviously.
Kids.
Code, why are you talking like that? Okay. Code, are you gonna help mommy?
Yep.
No, mommy's gonna hold it.
And I do this.
Okay, now circle it. Okay, now circle it. Good job. Very good. Okay, now mommy's gonna try. Ready?
Hi, kids.
Cody, back up.
Hi, kids. You're funny kids. You're funny kids. You're a little funny kids, Celeste.
So as you can see there, the bowl continued to sing for a little while. You can kind of experiment and see like different speeds of trying to circle the bowl and how that affects the sound. I like to sit outside. Please stop. I like to sit outside and ground while the kids are playing, and have no socks on my feet, in the dirt, grounding, and I'll be sitting there like in my lawn chair and just like absorbing the sunlight, meditating, drinking water, speaking to my water. And sometimes I'll play my singing bowl and the kids will listen to it, and it's just very peaceful and serene, and it just adds to my own little self-care ritual. Also, what I like to do is Cody. First thing in the morning, sometimes it's really nice when me and Cody wake up together, and big Cody, not Cody Jr., but me and Daddy wake up, and sometimes, we'll pack a bowl of some plant medicine and partake of that, and I'll play my singing bowl for a little bit, and we'll sit and just listen and just feel the vibrations, and it will just be so deep within, and it's like very therapeutic. Cody, please back up.
I'm feeding you.
It's very therapeutic, and it's very healing, and it's a great tool for meditation, rituals, and mindfulness practices. Cody, stop, please.
Can I do it, Mom?
You want to do it? Sure. Now you gotta circle it around. Hit with the black part. There you go. Good job. You did it. Good job. Yay.
Look at me. Look at my face.
I'm trying to make a video. It's one thing if you want to sit in the video quietly and be cute, but you can't be all up in the camera.
Can we do this?
Did you hear what I just said?
Yes.
Please sit quietly. Thank you. So yes, so again, one more time, this is how you play your singing bowl. Take the mallet. You have to hold the bowl in the middle of the palm of your hand. You cannot have your fingers touching the bowl at all. So you have to hold it like this, basically. You take your mallet. The soft part is the part you want to hit the bowl with. Excuse me. I need you guys to be more quiet. Mommy's trying to do a video. And you just... Yeah, so that's the singing bowl. It's one of my favorite things that I've bought for myself lately. And right now I use it pretty often. It's very fragile. You got to make sure that you don't drop it or get it cracked, because if it cracks, it won't sing anymore. Very important. But yes, it's super cute, and it came in this really cute case. They're pretty cheap on Amazon, and you can get different singing bowls that are supposed to correlate to the 7 chakras. So that is a fun fact. I'd like to have one for each chakra one day. But yeah, so thanks again for watching. If you like this video, you like my content, please subscribe, share, like this video, and leave a comment. Peace.